Behdiengkhlam projector ban peni film ne Behdiengkhlam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hndru wei ar nyau lai Kaleniam Behdiengkhlam kabdi kawai na gileniam kabahe hapo kajela kabadeiru kawai na gijingleniam kabagi pajba kiwan ban sakhi de ki bun hajar ngot badhangni singi ki bamanta katah ka lai tarik unaitung arajar arusau lapan long ye ni gileniam Behdiengkhlam hajowai na kabanta ban duai ban phirat shau nongbu nong thau ban kurkhu kerdo ye ki jingthung jingtap hadin bagi pajba akila pendap ya ka thung katap ban lait na ka jingwan ga khlam lani ka nems new persya ye jingthung jingtap ne ye ki pajba ka beriu nyau trap hagni jingleniam Behdiengkhlam lawan ruban sakhi do menteri ramba ka jela konrad ke sangma rangkat ki nong mikmat pajba ki ba kenthop yo ba wailat miki shela ka kong santa mary shela uba sanbor shulai bat kiwe ki he sarkar bat kumjuro ki nong mikmat na ka JHDC Menteri Rembah ke jela kodrat ke sang ma long baudap da ke jingso komen ban yoi bah ke sinwan Nongiashimbynta ke balaisin ulai i ke jingnang kiu bet ke jingnang internet kar Jingpynkhreh pen krom igene geleniam Behdiengkhlam badro ke jingwan sakhi jong pai baru kala Nangbun rengkat ke Jingpynkhreh ke basyongkun Shushu long ru ban kaliang jong sarkar ke nirap kumbah ndriu klur tam ban nang le bah shushu igene ke kaleniam bahe hapo ke jela
I would like to take this opportunity to wish the people of the state a very happy Behdiengkhlam festival. This is one of the important festivals of the state, and this is my third time that I am here visiting and being part of this festival. And every time I come here, it becomes even more and more colorful and more beautiful. And I love the way that the people celebrate it with so much of passion and so much of involvement. And we are happy that we can always support this festival in every possible way. And as you're aware that even the infrastructure that was created out here was created by the government through the tourism department. About 6.5 crores has been spent on this. And like this, we've always believed that maintaining the cultural identity of our state and of our people is of utmost importance. So we are happy to support, and we are happy to see that our people have continued to celebrate in a very passionate manner the different cultural festivals of our state. So once again, I wish the people of our state a very happy Behdiengkhlam festival.